दोस्तों, सक्सेसफुल लोग हमको देखने में तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. वी गेट वेरी इंस्पायर्ड, वेरी मच वी गेट व्हाट यू से. बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमको सक्सेसफुल लोग देखने के लिए. लेकिन जो उसके पीछे का जो मेहनत है, जो उसके पीछे का एक लगन है, जो उसके पीछे का एक जुनून है, वो हमको देखने को नहीं मिलता है. बिकॉज वो लोग पीछे करते हैं जो जिसको देखने में किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. लेकिन वो वही लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपने लाइफ को पर्पसफुल जिया है. वो वही लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपने लाइफ को पर्पसफुल जिया हुआ है और डगमगाए नहीं. वो लोग मतलब हिले नहीं. प्रॉब्लम आए तो भाग नहीं गए, प्रॉब्लम आए तो छोड़ नहीं दिया, तकलीफ हो गया तो छोड़ के भाग नहीं गया. वो उसके पीछे लगे रह गए. वो उसको छोड़े नहीं. 10 साल, 20 साल, 30 साल, 40 साल लगे रहे उसके पीछे, लेकिन उसको छोड़े नहीं. तो लिव लाइफ विथ अ पर्पस दैट यू विल नॉट लिव इट टिल यू फाइंड योर सक्सेस. क्योंकि अगर आप अपने करियर को एक अच्छे जगह पहुंचाना चाहते हैं तो हमेशा समझ के चलो कि वो पाथ है डेडिकेशन का, डिटर्मिनेशन का, परसिवरेंस का और उस पर लगे रहने का. अगर आप उसको छोड़ छोड़ के भागेंगे, अगर आप उसको सोचेंगे कि आज मैं थोड़ा करेगा, फिर मैं कुछ और करेगा, फिर मैं कल कुछ और करेगा, फिर मैं परसों कुछ और करेगा, ऐसा करते करते फिर आप कहीं नहीं पहुंच पाएगा. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल लूज योर एज, योर टाइम एंड योर माइंडसेट टू डू समथिंग बेटर. And all this will not come to you at the age of 40s and 50s and 60s. This should only come to you by your 20s and 30s. 20s and 30s is the age which will shape you in a much, much, much better way if you think over it, if you act upon it, if you work upon it, and if you give your time and dedication towards it. That is very, very, very important. People take this 20s and 30s very casually and they try to change job very frequently, change their line very frequently, change their skill set very frequently, which is not true. Because you should be on one track, and that one track will give you whatever you need in life if you are consistent, if you're dedicated, if you're true to your heart, and if you have the right type of perseverance. See the cricket people, the sports, the actors, the educational background people, the judges, the IAS officers, the people with business minded, the people with this small business minded, they don't run away from their problems. They get attached with their problems and they are on the same business from past 10, 40, 50, 60 years. Many businesses are from 100 years, 200 years. They must have also faced many ups and downs, many failures, many success, many setbacks, many constraints. But they have not given up. They have not closed their business and run away. They have not closed their shop on the second day, and they still continue, they still persist, and they are doing their business very well. So the moral of the story is that live your life with a purpose and don't leave that purpose till the time you find success and till the time you achieve what you want to achieve in life, because nothing is shortcut. Everything needs sacrifice, and if you are ready to give that sacrifice, you will surely reach your goal sooner or later. That is for sure. So be on your track, find that one purpose, and don't lose that track. Keep walking on that track, keep walking on that track, keep walking on that track till you find your success line. And I'm sure people have found out. You will also find it out sooner or later, but never give up. Ultimately, at the end of the day, as I told, money is important to run a smooth life. पैसा बोलता है. That is very important. From your salary of 20s and 30s, whatever you are earning, try to keep away some money and invest in a corpus fund which can act as a seed fund to you, and start a side hustle which can act as a passive income source for your days ahead, so that you have at least one source of income side by while you are working on the one source, and this will not affect anybody, and this will create a passive income source for you which will help you in the long run to do something big and better in life. Think over it. I'm sure money is important for everybody, and I'm sure people are thinking how to get it, and there is only one way to get it. Be consistent on your skill, be consistent on your path, and keep walking. and keep walking and keep walking. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.